guys, I'm back. Now this is the part 3 of UP Darshan Park, a new vlog. So now we are coming off here. It is Devi Pathan Temple. The Devi Pathan Temple was situated in Tulsipur, Balrampur district of Uttar Pradesh. Holds great significance in Hindu mythology. It's dedicated to Ma Patan Devi, an incarnation of the goddess Durga. The temple is believed to be an ancient holy site where the right shoulder of Sati, an embodiment of the goddess, fell during Lord Shiva Tandav dance of destruction. The importance of the temple lies in its religious sanctity and the reverse of Ma Patan Devi as a powerful deity. So it is looking very beautiful monument. It's a beautiful monument over here. So I can give you a clear view about it. So here it is. Very beautiful monument. So I will proceed to next monument. Coming back in 2 minutes. Hey guys, I am back in 2 minutes. Now we are here of Mahaparinirvan Temple. Mahaparinirvan Temple located in Kushinagar, Uttar Pradesh. The temple is a sacred pilgrimage site for Buddhists worldwide. The Mahaparinirvan Temple holds immense significance in Buddhism as it marks the revered site where Lord Buddha is believed to have attained Mahaparinirvana, the final nirvana, after passing. A 6.1 meter high statue of Lord Buddha is kept in a lying posture. The statue depicts the time when Lord Buddha left his earthly body at the age of 80 and was freed from the bondage of birth and death forever. That is, he attained salvation. On the platform, an inscription was erected by Haribala, a disciple of Lord Buddha in 5th century. So you can see now Lord Buddha is sitting. So he is there in a lying posture with having a body posture of 6.1 meters only. It is a very long monument, very long posture site of Lord Buddha. Hey guys, now we are having a next monument. It's Gorakhnath Math. It is Shri Gorakhnath Mandir, is the temple of the Nath monastic order group of Nath tradition. The name Gorakhnath derives from the medieval saint Gorakshant, that is 11th century CE, a yogi who travelled widely across India and authored a number of texts that form a part of the canon of Nath Sampradaya. The Nath tradition was founded by Guru Matsyendranath. The math important lies in its role as a revered institution that propagates the teachings and philosophies of the Nath tradition, emphasizing yoga, meditation, and ascetic practices. It attracts devotees and seekers from various walks of life who came to seek spiritual guidance and blessings. Now it is a beautiful monument. Nath tradition. So stay tuned. We have done. Bye.